Welcome to the Black Mask channel. 2 weeks ago, many spy drones have flying at Cambodia territory and Vietnam border, located at Rattanakiri province, Keo Seima district. Vietnam government rejected those drones are not belong to them. For prevention plan, the Prime Minister Hun Sen assigned to the Ministry of Defense to destroy those drones. 500 troops and some weapons are transferring to border and implementing on June 28 of 2023. And also motivated to who can destroy one drone, he will provide $200,000. The Prime Minister announced to the people, please don't concern about troops movement from Phnom Penh to Rattanakiri province, and also announced to countries nearby Cambodia border have a strongly corporate report each other, and update every situation that recognize as unsecurity for our neighbor countries. The suspicious, Mr. Sok Ison, a government spokesman, said these drones are maybe belong Montagnard, and it's sponsored by international to observe some information from Cambodia. Especially, it's sponsored by international country to investigate if there are any Chinese army or not. Oppositely, consideration from Mr. Jamsok, an independent analyzer, said Cambodia has no effective equipment or air defend radar yet. Those drones are belong to Vietnam, not Montagnard people. Montagnard doesn't know how to remote the drone yet. Vietnam makes this event happen because to automatically invite Cambodia government be back for a corporation that almost forgetting, because Cambodia is aimed to China. Another reason of transferring troops to the border, the Prime Minister Hun Sen wants to tell Vietnam that, I don't play your game. At the end of this video, I will bring you to know the information about Montagnard. This is a small source from Wikipedia about Montagnard. Montagnard is an umbrella term for the various indigenous peoples of the Central Highlands of Vietnam. The French term Montagnard signifies a mountain dweller, and is a carryover from the French colonial period in Vietnam. In Vietnamese, they are known by the term Nuoi Thuong. Most of those living in the United States refer to themselves as Montagnards, while those living in Vietnam refer to themselves by their individual ethnic group. Most covered in English language scholarship for their participation in the Vietnam War, where they were heavily recruited by the Army of the Republic of Vietnam (ARVN) and its American and Australian allies. The Montagnards tended to be Christian at a higher proportion than that of the Viets, and the North Vietnamese were seen by some Montagnards as propounding a heavily centralized state that would not value Montagnard local priorities or religious practices. Thanks for watching my video. To motivated me, help to subscribe my channel and like. Or please comment for my future improvement. See you in the next video.